Hi everyone, your friend Yazin here. I hope everyone is doing well. So today in this video, I'll be going to show a surprise or a gift I got from Salesforce. Just a few days ago, I have posted a video on Agentforce 360 League completion, right? So after completing Agentforce 360 League, all the 6 challenges, right? I've been awarded with some certifications and a swag, and that swags got delivered today. And I'll be just unboxing that one and showing it back to you. Just enjoy the video and support me. Share with your friends and all from Salesforce. Like after completing the 6 challenges, let's unbox it and see what they have given us. It's just an unboxing. It's just an unboxing video. It's nothing more special. So guys, this is the bag they have given after completing the Salesforce Agentforce 360 League. And you can see it's a simple laptop bag. It's having few chain. Let me check inside if they have given some certifications also. I guess there is nothing inside. It is empty. It's empty. This is the bag. This is all about. I request everyone to do follow my YouTube channel or subscribe my YouTube channel so that I'll be updating you guys with the new events where you can also win some rewards, gifts, and certification vouchers in the future. Share with your friends, share with your colleagues, and so on and so forth. So stay tuned for more videos. If I'm getting time, I will be making some videos slowly, and rest all happy trailblazing. See you. Tata, bye bye.